Hi guys, welcome to Alive Learning. Today we are going to discuss properties of proportion. First one is invertendo. That is, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then the invertendo of A is to B equal to C is to D can be written as B is to A equal to D is to C. That is in the reverse order. B is to A is equal to D is to C. For example, let us take a proportion that is 15 is to 6 is equal to 5 is to 2. Then the invertendo of this proportion is 6 is to 15, that is 6 is to 15 is equal to 2 is to 5. Now we check here. We already studied 6 and 5 are called extremes, 15 and 2 are called means. So in case of proportion, the product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 6 into 5, that is 30. Product of means, that is 15 into 2, again 30. So 30 equal to 30. So they are in proportion. Second one, alternando. So if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then the alternando of this proportion is A is to C equal to B is to D. That is, we take alternate terms. A is to C is equal to B is to D. The same proportion we can take, that is 15 is to 6 is equal to 5 is to 2. Then we can write the in alternando of this proportion is 15 is to 5 is equal to B is to D, that is 6 is to 2. Now again you check product of extremes, that is 15 into 2, 30, 5, 6 are 30. So since they are in proportion. So third one is componento. If A is to B equal to C is to D, then the componento of this proportion can be written as A plus B is to B equal to C plus D is to D. That is, A plus B is to B is equal to C plus D is to D. Let us check with an example. That is the same thing I am taking. 15 is to 6 is equal to 5 is to 2. Then the componento of this proportion can be written as A plus B. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So A plus B, that is 15 plus 6, that is 21 is to B is 6 is equal to C plus D. So C plus D, so 5 plus 2, that is 7 is to D is 2. Now again you check the product of extremes, 21 into 2, that is 42. 6 sevens are product of means, that is equal to 42. They are also in proportion. The fourth property is dividend. So if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then the dividend rule is A minus B is to B is equal to C minus D is equal to D. That is, only we change the signs in component, we get dividend. Let us check this one with the same example, that is 15 is to 6 is equal to 5 is to 2 is the given ratio. Then the dividend of this proportion is A minus B, that is A, this one is B, C, this one is D. So A minus B, that is 15 minus 6, that is 15 minus 6 is 2. B is 6 is equal to C minus D. C, that is C minus D, so 5 minus 2 is 2. D is 2. Now we check 15 minus 6, that is 9 is to 6 is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3 is to 2. Now again you check 9 2s are, that is product of extremes, 9 2s are 18 and 6 3s are 18. So the next one is componento and dividend property. So the same, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then the componento and dividend property is A plus B is to A minus B is equal to C plus D is to C minus D. That is, A plus B is to A minus B is equal to C plus D is to C minus D. Now let us check with the same example, that is 15 is to 6 equal to 5 is to 2. That implies A plus B, that is 15 plus 6, that is 21 is to A minus B, that is 15 minus 6, that is 9 is equal to C plus D, so 5 plus 2, that is 7 is to C minus D, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. Now again we check 21 into 3, that is 63. 9 sevens are 63. So the next one is addend, that is, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then the addend property of this proportion is A plus C is to B plus D. Moreover, the last one is subtrahend. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then the subtrahendo of this property is A minus C is to B minus D. So dear students, first you learn all these results. These results are used in solving exercise problems. So please learn these terms, that is these properties, clearly. Now let us see some examples related to this proportion. Now example number 1. If A is to B equal to C is to D equal to 2.5 is to 1.5. What are the values of AD is to BC and A plus C is to B plus D? See, it is clearly given. So A is to B can be written as A by B, that is equal to C is to D can be written as C by D, that is equal to 2.5 by 1.5, which means A equal to C equal to 2.5, B equal to D equal to 1.5. Therefore, let us check the value of AD is to BC is equal to. Now let us check AD is to BC. This AD is to BC can be written as AD by BC, that is equal to AD, A in D in the sense A into D. So what is the value of A? A is equal to 2.5. Therefore 2.5 into D, what is the value of D? That is 1.5 by B. The value of B is 1.5 into the value of C is 2.5. Now you check. So 2.5, 2.5, 1, 1.5, 1.5, 1, 1. That is AD by BC is equal to 1 by 1. So when you write this in ratio, we get AD is to BC is equal to 1 is to 1. So the value of AD is to BC is equal to 1 is to 1. Now let us check A plus C is to B plus D. Therefore, A plus C by B plus D is equal to, so here also A plus C, so A plus C, that is 2.5 plus 2.5 by B plus D, so B and D are the same, that is 1.5 plus 1.5, that is equal to 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5 by 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3. So A plus C is to B plus D is equal to 5 is to 3. Example number 2. If A by 3 is equal to B by 4 is equal to C by 7, then prove that A plus B plus C by C equal to 2. We have to prove A plus B plus C by C is equal to 2. Now here it is given the value of A is equal to 3, the value of B is equal to 4, value of C is equal to 7. That is A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 7. Now apply this value in this, you can get the answer. Therefore, A plus B plus C by C equal to A plus B plus C, that is 3 plus 4 plus 7. 3 plus 4 plus 7 by C is equal to 7. That is 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 7 plus 7, that is equal to 14. So 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. Example number 3. First you read the question carefully. You must understand the question. A dealer mixes tea costing rupees 6.92 per kg with tea costing rupees 7.77 per kg and sells the mixture at rupees 8.80 per kg. So from these 3 lines, what is given you must understand. There are 2 types of teas. For example, first one, T1. Here this tea cost rupees 6.92 per kg. Now they are taking another tea. So that is T2. T2 costing rupees 7.7 per kg. This is the cost of this tea, T2 is 7.77 rupees per kg and sells the mixture. Now they are mixing it. This one. Here also they are taking something. Here also they are taking something. They are mixing the teas together. That is, we get a mixture. This mixture is taken from here and taken from Here also. This mixture cost rupees 8.80 per kg. Rupees 8.80 per kg. By selling this mixture, they earn the profit 17.1 by 2 percentage. So by selling this mixture as rupees 8.80, they are getting the profit 7.1 by 2 percentage. Now we are asked to find out in what proportion does he mix them. So they mixed the tea each other. No? So we have to find out the proportion does he mix them. For this, first we don't know the cost price of the mixture. So first we have to find out the cost price of the mixture. Let us take the selling price of the mixture is rupees 100. So let us take SP, that is selling price of the mixture, is equal to rupees 100. Now it is given profit is equal to 17.1 by 2 percentage, that is equal to 2 17s are 34, so 35/2 percentage. Now from this we can find out the cost price of the mixture, because we know the formula cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Therefore CP, that is cost price of the mixture, is equal to selling price minus profit. That is, selling price of the mixture is taken as 100, therefore 100 minus profit is 35/2, so 35/2. Now that is equal to, so we can cross multiply them. So 200 minus 35/2, that is equal to 165/2 rupees. That is, the cost price of the mixture is 165/2 rupees. Here you clearly check, when we take the selling price of the mixture is 100, we have got cost price is 165/2. That is, the cost price of the mixture when SP is 100 is equal to rupees 165/2. Therefore, we can find out cost price of the mixture when SP is 1 rupee, there is 1 rupee, that is equal to, that is 165/2 divided by 100. For 100 rupees, 165/2 rupees. When SP is 1, that is 165/2 divided by 100. That is 100 can be written as 100/1. Therefore, here also fraction, here also fraction. So we can bring the denominator to the numerator. That is 165/2 into 1/100. That is reciprocal of this one. So we get 165/200 rupees. But it is given the selling price of the mixture is rupees 8.80. Therefore we can find out the cost price of the mixture when the selling price is rupees 8.80 is equal to, listen carefully, cost price of the mixture when the selling price is 1 rupee, we got rupees 165/200. Therefore cost of the mixture when the selling price is increased now, that is 8.80, therefore that is 165/200 into 8.80, so we get 7.26 rupees, 7.26. That is cost price of the mixture Then SP is, that is selling price is given, so rupees 7.26. Now we can check the difference in the cost price of first tea and cost price of second tea. Difference in cost price of T1 is equal to, here the mixture is 7.26 rupees, therefore difference in the sense minus cost of the first price is 6.92, so it is equal to 34 paise. So we get 34 paise. So now difference in cost price of T2 we can find out, that is rupees 7.77 minus rupees 7.26. 7.77 minus 7.26, that is the difference in cost price of T2 is equal to 7.77 minus 7.26, we get 51 paise. Now we are asked to find out the proportion, does he mix them, that is required ratio we have to find out. Therefore required ratio is equal to, that is second difference is to first difference, second difference is to first difference, that is equal to, second difference is 51 is to first difference is 34. So when you cut or simplify by 17th table, so we get 3, so here we get 2, that is 3 is to 2. So they mixed the tea in the ratio 3 is to 2. I hope you understood all these problems. Thank you.